Hello readers, welcome to Learn Code Read. Today we are going to read a book about the Festival of Colors. To check videos of the series Indian Festivals, click on the link above. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin the story. Holi is the Hindu festival of colors. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil and marks the end of winter and the arrival of spring. It is also celebrated as a thanksgiving for a good harvest. Holi is among the oldest festivals in India and is mentioned in many ancient texts and paintings. According to the Hindu calendar, the festival falls on the last day of the full moon in the month of Falgun. The date falls somewhere between the end of February and the middle or late of March. The celebration begins with a bonfire the night before Holi, known as the Holika Dahan. People assemble around the bonfire to sing, dance and celebrate. According to the legend, the word Holi is derived from the name Holika. Holika was the wicked sister of the demon king Hiranyakashyap. Hiranyakashyap asked for a boon from Lord Brahma to make him as good as immortal. Now he considered himself a god and ordered everyone in his kingdom to worship him. He was furious that his son Prahlad worshipped Lord Vishnu and ordered his execution. However, Lord Vishnu foiled Hiranyakashyap's attempts and saved Prahlad each time. Holika, Prahlad's aunt, was blessed with a boon, which gave her resistance from fire. The blessing was in the form of a shawl, which would protect her. So, Hiranyakashyap asked Holika to sit on a lit pyre with Prahlad on her lap. The demon king was sure that Prahlad could not be saved this time. When they entered the fire, Holika was burnt alive, but Prahlad survived the fire unharmed. Later, Lord Vishnu killed Hiranyakashyap. The bonfire on the eve of Holi has thus been named Holika and symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. The day of Holika Dahan is also called Choti Holi or Small Holi. The day after Holika Dahan is Holi, which is celebrated with a riot of colors. Friends and family play Holi with each other by applying powdered color known as gulal. Water guns and balloons filled with colored water are also used in fun-filled water battles, especially when children play Holi with one another. It doesn't matter if one is rich or poor, a friend or a stranger, a man or a woman, or a child. Everyone comes out on the streets to play Holi. People visit friends and family members to spray each other with colors and enjoy Holi delicacies. Delicious preparations like gujia, kachori, malpua, matri, etc. are popular savouries and sweets served on Holi. Popular drinks like Thandai are also enjoyed on this festival. Holi is celebrated in a unique way in the Braj region of North India, near Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. The festivities go on for as long as 16 days to celebrate the love of Radha for Lord Krishna. On one of these days, women have the freedom to hit men who protect themselves with shields. This is known as Lat Mar Holi and is done playfully, of course. Holi is not only a day of festivities, but also an occasion to pay and forgive debts, repair strained relationships, forgive enemies and amend the errors of the past. A carnival of colors, Holi is celebrated with great enthusiasm every year. Happy Holi! I hope you have enjoyed the story of Festival Holi. This story is published by Om Kids. You can purchase the same from link provided in the description box below. Keep reading. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.